So, you know what I was sitting here thinking about looking at this nice new Colorado Chevy Z71. America promotes the buying of vehicles to the poor people. But the rich people who got money and got a little common sense lease things like this because it's a liability. Things can happen to it. Things are going to happen to it. Things are going to tear up and you got to fix and all that good stuff. So why not lease it or buy something that you can fix up and to, serve the purpose of what you're needing, at the time instead of going all the way out. I was talking to the guy that owned this vehicle. He was like, I should have just got a full 1,000, but I was trying to get what I can afford. So did you hear that part? Get what I can afford. So he bought it instead of leasing it. Because if he was leasing it, he would be able to afford it. So why you want to keep this? Why? So you can pass it down to somebody, give it to somebody if you're still making payments on it, So it's just a trip to me, man, the way America is set up. They got the people thinking who's working, middle class, thinking that they got a little money because they can, pull up in a new car. But the reality of it, I'm knowing that if they punching a clock or they are purchasing a vehicle to ride around and look bad, to ride around and look good, I'm knowing that the reality of it is they broke. They broke and they feed into the lie of the system. It's just a fucking lie, man. You know what I mean? You want to own what makes you money. You know what I mean? You want to lease that shit. If it look nice and you want to pull up in a Bentley, pull up in a Bentley. But you don't want to own that fucking Bentley. You don't want to own the type of shit that's going to tear down. Now, the shit that got good value, yeah, you want to own certain things. But a daily driver that you got to use to get around, make money, move, you don't want to own that, bro. It's wear and tear and things like this. So I would just say, man, my personal opinion, lease, rent it. Don't own it unless it's a tool that can actually make you money, that it was worth you buying and fixing up and maintaining the maintenance on your own versus you getting something new that you know was made to break down. So just think about it, man. Just think about how you spend your money. Hold on.